back to No Place Like Home, and today I will be sharing you how I made this delicious omelet. Okay, so here we go. And all the things that you need, you will need some. You will need some eggs, and I'm using ham, any kind of ham you want to use, and I'm using bacon and some sausages and some seasoned blend. First, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my pan. Go ahead and put my bacon in. Okay, now I'm just frying up my bacon and my ham and my sausage. I'm using one sausage because it's just for one person. I'm also using a slice and a half of bacon and just a little few pieces of ham. And you can use whatever you want. Okay, I'm gonna let these fry and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm taking my bacon out. It's ready. Okay, so I have this all ready to go. Next, I'm gonna do my seasoned blend. And I'm just going to put this up real good. Use a little bit butter. I'm going to let this just cook a little bit. Next, I'm going to use 3 eggs with some little tab of salt and pepper. And probably about a teaspoon of water in mine. Okay, I'm going to use my olive oil. I'm going to let my skillet get hot. I'll be right back. Make sure you have a good skillet so you can be able to flip. Okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and put my eggs in. Okay. Now you're going to go ahead and put your saute onions and peppers. And make sure you put it on one side. I got my meat all cut up. And I have my cheese, Kraft Mexican cheese, or whatever cheese you want to use. And then you're going to kind of flip it over, just to that one side. And we'll just spray some cheese over it. Don't that look good? I'm gonna put some paste kind of sauce. So I'm going to show y'all the final results. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final results of our omelet. I hope y'all enjoyed this as much as I did. And I just like to thank all my subscribers. I like to thank all my new subscribers for being with me each and every time. Just gonna turn that around a little bit. Doesn't that look good? Okay, so I'm gonna cut into it just a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all how it look inside. That is delicious. Okay, so I hope y'all try this at home. It is delicious. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna eat a little bit more of it so y'all can see more. No, I really just want to eat it. And I want y'all to always remember that God do love you so much. And so do I. So I'm going to give me a cup of coffee. I'm going to sit at my table and I'm going to eat this. Okay, y'all have a blessed day. Have a safe day. And may God forever bless you. Bye-bye.